it's time to retire, and we got this one. Your welcome packet, manual, etc. Starting with these attachments. This is the bottom piece. And this is the main vacuum itself. Here are all the parts outside of the plastic bags. I'm not going to assemble them. Assembly of this attachment with the vacuum itself, you align it with the holes and you snap them on. These two parts can be paired together as needed. And here is how they come together as one piece. To remove the actual vacuum itself, you simply press on this eject button and this comes apart. Here is how the attachments go in. Eject button here that allows you to take out the compartment for cleaning. Once these two are attached, you'll notice this piece over here. Do not lose this. I believe this is to prevent debris going inside. Here's a filter housing. At least charge for 4 hours prior to first use. When the vacuum is charging, you'll get this indicator. Featherweight, they weren't kidding. It's very, very light. My wife has arthritis and she's gonna love this. BISSELL is a good brand, so I'm confident I'll be very satisfied. So far, based on build quality, I highly recommend it.